Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking apart our shark vacuums and cleaning them very thoroughly. So if you want to know how to do it, well, just stay tuned. Alright, so first we're going to be starting out with our canister. There are no electric parts in your canister, so don't be afraid to soak it down with some hot soapy water. I'm just going to be using Dawn dish soap and giving it a nice clean. Okay, to make sure that I got every little nook and cranny, I'm just taking an antibacterial multi-purpose spray and just cleaning up with a paper towel anything that I may have left behind. Okay, I'm just going to leave it out so that it can thoroughly dry. Now time to move on to our next part. Ooh, look at that dirty filter. So we're going to take this filter and take it over to the sink, and we are going to give it a good wash with some nice hot water. The instructions on this never recommend soap, but I actually will add soap to mine. I'm just going to rinse the filter holder because it's just plastic, and then I'm going to give this a really good rinse. Now, something to keep in mind, I actually bought spares of my filters online. I bought mine from Amazon. You can buy them, on Amazon or wherever, eBay. And I will always keep a spare on hand. That way, when this one is drying, or when it's dirty and it's drying out from being washed, then I have a dry one right behind it so that I can continue to vacuum if I need to. Again, to make sure that I've got all the nooks and crannies and to get this thing squeaky clean, I'm just taking a antibacterial multi-purpose wipe. This one happened to be a Lysol wipe, and I'm just going to wipe everything down. Okay, so I'm going to start cleaning the bottom. The wheels, they always run through the dirt, right? So why not clean those? Clean anything that is touching the bottom. Got a bunch of wheels there. Anything that will touch your floor is going to get dirty, so just giving those a good wipe. Sorry, I'm out of frame here, but I'm just finishing up cleaning up on top, and then I'm going to check that filter, make sure it's clean. You can also order extra of those, or new ones, you can order new ones of those. Don't forget to wipe down your handles and anything that you may touch, because a lot of times we're cleaning a dirty house and then we're touching our vacuum cleaner. Okay, and don't forget to clean any of your attachments. These guys need a good clean, so I'm just showing you that I had cut all the hair out of the roller, and then I'm wiping down my multi-purpose scissors, and then I'm just going to give this one a good wipe. Okay, so one of the YouTubers I follow always calls these real life moments. This is my cordless vacuum, and this gets used quite a bit. So here I'm showing you my real life moment, how dirty this sucker gets. So apparently I forgot to hit record, but I'm just doing the same thing with these, giving them a good rinse with hot water and soap. This one here actually is like a cotton blend filter holder. And with all my vacuums, I always have several filters on hand. This is where the filter sits, and it gets pretty nasty. It's very fine dust, so I'm going to give this a good cleansing. And the canister is not removable, so I just do what I can to wipe inside there. There is a small filter on the base of this, and I'm just showing you that I will take my lavender essential oil and just put a little bit so that when it blows through, it always smells like lavender. Just a little tip. Okay, I'm just wiping everything down, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, if you like me, give me a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.